Hi, I'm Lott, PGA professional at Victoria Park. Today we'll be talking about trajectory or ball flight control, hitting high shots and low shots. As an example, a low shot, we would want to hit a low shot into the breeze, and a high shot would be a situation where we might have a front pin or we're down breeze. We need to have the ball to stop quickly. For our low shot, we're going to move the ball back in our stance, have our shaft leaning forward, de-lofting the club face, and it'll promote a little bit more weight on our front foot, which we want to have a steeper angle of attack, which will squeeze the ball out on a lower trajectory. For the high shot, we want to have the ball slightly further forward, possibly slightly further away. Our grip pressure is going to be a little bit lighter, which will allow the club to release a little bit more. And you'll notice the club shaft is perpendicular to the ground or straight up and down neutral. That way, it'll increase or add loft to the club face in time for impact. Our hips will be rotated, but certainly less than what they will be for the low shot. Ball flight will be a lot higher. Hope these tips have helped you gain some understanding on how to control ball flight, high and low, and how they may assist you in your next round of golf. Go and enjoy.